this is Jeannie, and I saw a cute little decoration at market this past year, and you'll see it in the video. It was in a huge Christmas tree, but it was just an inexpensive cookie sheet, and it had little gingerbread cookies on it. Now, what was on that tree, I'm sure, were ornaments, but I thought I would try the same thing and just try hot gluing some real cookies. So I have two different kinds of cookies, and I got the little cookie sheet at Dollar Tree. It was just like $1.25, and I'm not sure where I got the cookies. Some of them have decorations on them and some of them don't. So I thought, well, I don't know. Now, I'm not making this decoration to last any time except through the Christmas season. I was going to decorate my house with, or my Christmas tree and living room with some gingerbread type things, because I've got some small children coming, you know, with the extended family. So another thing that I was going to do, I got these white wood bead garlands at Trendy, and I was going to mix up some paint that kind of resembled gingerbread, and I'm going to paint those. So that's another project for gingerbread. But anyway, we'll just see. Like I say, I don't know if these cookies are going to stick or not. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue, and we're just going to try them there, see how they work. Some have a little, I've been eating on this bag. Some have little decorations and some don't. So I'll just kind of alternate them, and I'll stick them to the pan, and we'll see how that turns out. Okay, I think that's gonna work fine. You know, I'm gonna set them over there with my gingerbread houses. I'm just gonna take a little brush to get the little wisp of hot glue out. And by the way, if you're getting gingerbread cookies to eat, the stouffer's are much better. They're crisper, a little sweeter, a little more sweet. And these are Kimberly's, and they're more soft. I like these better than the stouffer.